It began with a question. Can a machine think? For centuries, humanity has built tools to dig, to fly, to connect. But this question was different. It wasn't about power or speed. It was about intelligence. Could we create something that not only worked but understood? That question gave birth to one of the greatest revolutions in human history, artificial intelligence. The story begins in the 1940s. Computers were new, giant machines filling entire rooms. They could calculate, but they couldn't think. Then came a man named Alan Turing. He imagined a future where machines could reason, learn, and even talk. In 1950, he proposed the Turing test, a simple but powerful idea. If a computer could carry on a conversation indistinguishable from a human, wouldn't that mean it was intelligent? Turing didn't just build computers. He built possibilities. In 1956, a small group of dreamers gathered at Dartmouth College. They gave the dream a name, artificial intelligence. They believed that within a generation, machines would rival the human mind. And so the race began. The 1960s brought early AI programs, like Eliza, a chatbot that mimicked a human therapist, and SHRDLU, which could move virtual objects using natural language commands. For the first time, machines were doing more than calculating. They were responding. But the road ahead wasn't easy. Computers were too weak, data too small, and progress too slow. The world lost interest. Funding disappeared. This became known as the AI winter. For decades, AI was seen as a dream gone cold. But science never truly sleeps. Quietly, researchers kept going, waiting for a moment when technology would catch up to imagination. That moment came in the 1990s. Computers became faster. The internet was born. And a new idea emerged, machine learning. Instead of telling machines what to do, scientists taught them how to learn. In 1997, IBM's Deep Blue shocked the world by defeating world chess champion Garry Kasparov. For the first time, human strategy had met its digital equal. The world began to believe again. In the 2000s, AI quietly entered our daily lives. Search engines learned what we wanted before we finished typing. Email filters recognized spam before we opened it. Voice assistants like Siri and Alexa began to speak. AI was no longer a laboratory experiment, it was living among us. And then, something extraordinary happened. AI began to create. Through neural networks and deep learning. Machines could now recognize faces, translate languages, and even paint pictures. They could write music, generate stories, and compose poetry. AI wasn't just calculating anymore. It was imagining. Then came 2022. OpenAI released ChatGPT, a system that could write, explain, and converse like a person. Millions of people began talking to machines, and the machines talked back. Not with cold answers, but with personality, knowledge, and creativity. At the same time, image generators like Midjourney and DALL turned words into breathtaking visuals. A new age had arrived, the age of creative intelligence. AI now drives cars, predicts weather, diagnoses diseases, and helps design everything from clothes to skyscrapers. But as it grows smarter, a new question emerges: who is in control? AI can create art, but it can also spread misinformation. It can help humanity, or harm it, if used without wisdom. The challenge isn't about stopping AI. It's about guiding it. The truth is, artificial intelligence is a mirror. It reflects us, our creativity, our fears, our ambitions. Every algorithm carries human intention. Every decision it makes begins with a line of code written by us. AI is not our replacement. It's our extension. We've given it the power to think, now we must teach it to understand. From Alan Turing's dream to the neural networks of today, AI has come a long way, from imagination to reality. But this is not the end. It's only the beginning of a new era. One where human intelligence and artificial intelligence grow side by side. Because in the end, AI is not the story of machines learning to think, it's the story of humans learning what's possible. This is the story of artificial intelligence. The story of us, teaching our creations how to dream.